when we should have been eating breakfast at 10. Whatever. Our room was a little cold last night. We're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna go see the sights. It's pretty nice out today. It's warmed up. The birds, they are chirping. And let's get started. Got the fresh squeezed orange juice. Well, that's like the best orange juice I've ever had.
It's so good, I don't even want to drink it.
How good is it?
It's so good, I don't even want to drink it. That's how good it is.
It's good.
It's good.
It's delicious.
It's really, really good. How cute is this plate?
Yeah, I can wait.
Okay, on a horse and carriage. Take us around. We're in the Argan Tree at the East Saint Laurent. We literally stood in line for an hour to get in here. Ridiculous. But it looks pretty. I love all the blue, of course. The stairs. It's like the secret garden. So pretty in here.
Yeah, okay.
There's literally bikes everywhere. To the Sadian tombs, but the guy told us to go after the door, so we almost walked into a mosque.
And we got yelled at.
But we didn't. Well, no, they were nice about it. We didn't actually go in, but yeah. There's over 60 royal family members that ruled for 100 years buried in here, so it's like a mausoleum.
Okay, please, we start by argan oil and I show you the famous
got his white coat on.
Okay. That one. The famous tree, the goat tree. This grows only in Morocco. There is 300 kilometers of this tree in south of Morocco. And this 300 kilometers what gives the argan oil in all over the world. Like this, the product is sensitive. We need 100%. Okay, that the fruit and that the nut.
And what's the name of the tree?
Argan tree or the goat tree. Argan
Oh,
tree,
can't you
goat
really
tree.
pass that and see the goats in the tree?
Yeah, yeah, to eat the fruit. And, yeah.
Ah, okay.
The fruit.
They have, we
nothing
could see
like
that from
this.
there.
That one. You see?
Yes.
Oh, and they smell good too.
That's the first one. Argan oil, the comestible. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's a comestible what we eat. That's good for the diabetic pepper to revitalize the pancreas and good also against the chronic constipation. That's the argan cosmetic one. That every woman dream to come in Morocco for that one. The biologic argan, we use it to stop the hair loss and to grow the hair. Okay? For the hair, first we use it like mask 30 minutes avant la douche. Like mask 30 minutes before your shower. For the hair. Not
Now we're at the Palace Bahia. There's orange trees everywhere. Cost 10 dirhams to get in. That's like $1. So, walking around, just got in. Guy said, go visit. So, we're visiting. And then here's all the oranges on the trees, if you could see that. They're known for their oranges out here, so please, eat one. Drink some orange juice. You will not regret it. This is probably where they have the dances and stuff.
This is closed out. It's too small.
But it's long.
Could have been a
Could have been anything.
I think
We're over here playing the guessing game of what each room is. Nothing is labeled at all. What do you think this was? Yeah, it's like intricate ceiling, people. Look at it. Or maybe it was a playroom. Like these kids. After walking around and around, lost in the palace, we found our way out. We're free, we're free. See? We're free. Just took a hot shower, so I am tired. But we're gonna eat dinner. Just waiting for the main course to get here. It's looking good in the neighborhood. This chick is still on the phone. She's tired, waiting for food. I still want to take a nappy. The room's nice and warm. We just ate like 2-3 hours ago, so whatever. They got the heat going today. Yeah, buddy.